Ready to drive home in a reliable, low-mileage vehicle? Check out this beauty with a clean Carfax and only 63,000 miles. Recently serviced with over $815 in updates. It also comes with current Georgia state emissions. This dealer-certified pre-owned car is backed by our Quality Plus warranty, giving you coverage for 3 months or 3,000 miles, peace of mind at its finest. We also offer a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price available at the time of sale. And don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. Recent service highlights include new spark plugs, front brake pads and rotors, and a thorough pre-delivery inspection to ensure everything is in top condition. At our dealership, we're committed to raising the standard in the used auto industry. We encourage you to request a recent computer scan before your purchase. You'll find the scan included in our photos for your peace of mind. Your confidence matters to us. Visit us today to check out this incredible vehicle. Don't wait, your next adventure starts here.